Are you Coleman? What are you doing?
Jumping in.
Okay. Be careful. Okay.
Sank down to my waist.
Yay!
I like swimming. Like an Scrooge McDuck is funny.
Mom told me we were gonna go outside. We should go help an old lady shovel. And I said, where are we going?
Everything's white. Whoa.
Mary Hemingway Playground.
Is that what's called Mary Hemingway?
Hemingway.
Hemingway. Snow diaper. Whoa.
Diaper. You can never have the perfect snow angel. You always have that handprint.
Here.
Run away. Don't forget the legs.
I'm good.
No, alright, just leave it there.
Alright, bye. Snow. Playground.
Let's go to the playground. Inside to put these gloves on.
Oh! He did that on purpose. He aimed right for your face. That was awful. That was awful.
I was aiming for her face.
Oh. Oh.
I was aiming for her chest.
That's what he said. I think she did. Up to the knee.
What's your last name there, Coleman?
What? Apparently Gabor.
No.
It's Gabor, see? Gabor.
Coming in.
Oh no!
Let me in.
Oh! Run away! Go down the slide backwards! Or not. Do a running start! Or not. Not in my nest. My nest. Hey, Stephanie. Go down. Nope. Fail.
Hey, it worked. Oh, now this would be a fail.
I'm stuck.
Fall when I...
God, no! Still recording!
Whoa! How was it? How was it?
Is it snowy out there?
Nope.
Join our fort. Join us.
How should I laugh?
The slide is funny.
Are you filming?
Yep.
Good. Are you okay?
Hug me.
Oh my god, I thought I was gonna break your leg.
Hug me.
Ow! Is that a puppy?
Oh my god, it's a poppy. Oh.
Oh no!
She's sinking! Say it's a rope! Say it's a rope!
Grab the rope.
Jesus! This leg. Careful. Okay. Puppy!
Yeah. The poppy. Poppies. Oh.
Puppy, puppy, puppy.
Ow.
And now he has adult gloves on.
It's cold.
Ready?
What's the puppy doing? What are you doing? Huh?
There you go. I got you. Relax. Right there. Wait. Emma. Wait. Sit up.
Let's go! Oh. It's after me!
Meet you on the other side.
Okay, I'm mad tired. Wow. Oh, I got snow in my boots. Rats.